In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be offline on Microsoft Teams. Let's dive right in. Microsoft Teams has become an essential communication tool for both work and school, connecting us with colleagues and classmates around the world. However, there are times when you might want to take a break, focus on your work, or simply limit interruptions during your day. Setting your status to offline is a fantastic way to achieve this, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First up, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on sign in and enter your account credentials. This is your first step to taking control of your online visibility. After you've successfully signed in, you'll land on the Teams homepage. Here's where it starts to get interesting. Look for your profile photo, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This little picture is your gateway to adjusting your online status. Click on your profile photo and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you usually have several options, one of them being your current availability status, which might be set to available if you've been active. Go ahead and click on available or whatever your current status is. This action will open up a menu with different status options. Now, for the moment we've been leading up to. In the list that appears after you click your current status, you'll find the option Appear Offline. Go ahead and select it. Choosing Appear Offline will instantly change your status, making you invisible to other users as though you're not online, even though you can still navigate through Teams and get your work done without any interruptions. And there you have it. Just like that, you're now appearing offline to your colleagues and friends on Microsoft Teams. This simple yet effective feature can greatly aid in managing your workday, allowing you to minimize distractions while focusing on tasks that require deep concentration. Remember, even though you're appearing offline, you can still fully use Microsoft Teams, access your chats, join meetings, or continue with your collaborative work without signaling to others that you're there. It's an excellent way to ensure you have the space you need to work effectively, or perhaps enjoy a moment of quiet when the digital world gets a bit too noisy. That wraps up our tutorial for today on how to appear offline on Microsoft Teams. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in showing you how to adjust your visibility, giving you more control over your online presence during your work or study hours. Remember, staying productive sometimes requires a bit of privacy, and now you know exactly how to achieve that in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more helpful tips and tricks in the next video.